Appavu is an Indian politician and member of the Legislative Assembly in Tamil Nadu. He is the current Speaker of Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly. He has contested in the Radhapuram State Assembly constituency on several occasions on behalf of various political parties. Appavu has been described by The Hindu as a regional heavyweight of the Indian National Congress who joined a splinter group, then stood for election as an independent during a period of intra-party troubles, and eventually transferred his allegiance to the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. He has been elected to the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly as a Tamil Maanila Congress candidate from Radhapuram in the 1996 election, as an independent candidate in 2001, and as a DMK candidate in 2006. The Radhapuram constituency was not contested by the DMK in the 2011 elections because they entered into an alliance with the Incorporated. In the 2016 elections, Appavu again contested the seat as a DMK candidate. In a surprise result, he lost by 49 votes to I. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.